Hey, this is Frank. This is a 2005 Toyota Sienna with the 3.3-liter V6 3MZ-FE engine. This engine is common in many other cars: Highlander, Camry, RX330, ES330. I've just finished a repair on this engine, which is resealing this part, which is the thermostat housing. The thermostat housing is very difficult to get to. It's all the way at the bottom of the valley of the V6 between the two cylinder banks, as you can see on this spare engine that I've got sitting right here. The thermostat housing fits all the way down in here. There's no need to remove the engine from the car to repair this. I was just showing you on the engine that I have available so you can see where it is. The underside of the housing is sealed with form-in-place gasket, FIPG. For this repair, I use a Permatex sealer, which is designed specifically for parts that are exposed to coolant. The factory service manual recommends a bead that is between 3mm and 5mm in width. That's less than a 1/4 inch in. I may have over applied a little bit here, but better safe than sorry. And I've used up 2 of the little tubes entirely. Sometimes this housing can be cracked or warped or otherwise damaged, and you have to replace it entirely. In the video description, I'm going to include a link to a replacement part for this thermostat housing. I am also going to include a link to this sealant. Another part that you may need to replace when you do this repair is this coolant outlet tube that attaches on the front of the housing and is the outlet of the thermostat. This is a plastic tube that can also be cracked or warped or damaged and needs replacement. I'm going to include a link to the replacement part in the video description. These are the 3 items that you can find in the video description. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.